friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing a volleyball and a net. So to start with, I'm gonna get a lid and I'm just gonna put it up kind of in the upper corner. And I'm gonna trace that with my marker, trace it. Okay, so I don't have the whole thing on, I've cropped it. Okay, then I'm gonna draw the volleyball. So I'm gonna start with a dot in the middle and I'm gonna draw a line coming across, kind of curvy, coming across, kind of curvy, and coming across, kind of curvy. And then I'm gonna put one line, two lines, one line, two lines, one line, two lines. Okay, so there is the volleyball. And then we're gonna draw the net. And the net is gonna come across like this and it's gonna slope. I'm having it slope down. Now I could have it going across straight, but I wanna give my picture more movement. There's the bottom of the net. Here's the dotted lines on the bottom of that white part. We got some net lines here. There we go, maybe some more. There, perfect. Okay, now for the arms. So the arms are coming up and we're gonna make one arm coming down like this. And then we've got another arm that kind of comes off the edge of this, like that. All right, so there's the arm. Okay, then we've got a finger coming down from the ball like that. And then we've got a wrist right here. You don't see much of it. And then we've got another finger coming up, up, up. And these little divots are where the bones are in the finger, like that. Then it's gonna come down. And then we've got the thumb coming across, like that. Okay, and then the rest of the hand is kind of hid behind the net here. Okay, then on this side, we've got another hand. So we're gonna draw part of a thumb down here. And then we're gonna come up from that thumb. And there's where the, like this part of the hand is. And we're gonna come up, 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 around. Remember the little divots for where your fingers, the bones are. And this one's longer. And this one's shorter. The little pink. Okay, and that's kind of all you would see there with that, because maybe we really wouldn't even see the wrist, you know. Anyway, so there is a volleyball player, and I'm thinking maybe we need, yeah, that looks better like that. Otherwise, it's like, how thick is that finger? All right. Yeah. Okay. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.